Hey everybody, Blaise here, and I'm really excited to let you guys know that I have two brand new books that are available now at creatureartteacher.com. Let me show you the first one. This is my brand new coffee table book. It's The Art of Blaise, Volume 1. This book covers about 20 years, plus or minus, of my art over my Disney career, over my independent career. It covers my studio wildlife paintings, studio design work, stuff I did for Disney, all kinds of really cool stuff that I've been so excited to share with you guys. And I can't wait for you to see it. I'm very, very proud of it. To be honest with you, I was really surprised at the amount of work that we were able to find and get in here. So I think you guys will like it. If you like my animal drawings and if you like some of the design work that I've done over the past, I think you're going to enjoy the book. Also, I've got another book, a smaller one, a little bit more intimate, called 100 Drawings. And it's just that. I went through my sketchbooks and picked out 100 of my favorite drawings throughout my sketchbooks and put them together all in one book right here. Some of them are comical, some of them are serious, but they're all done with a lot of care, a lot of joy, and I hope you guys enjoy them as well. You can get both the books over at my website at creatureartteacher.com/books. Once again, that's creatureartteacher.com/books. Go on over there, check them out, and pick one up for yourself. You can find them both there. I hope you enjoy them. Go on out there, put some beauty back into the world, and I'll talk to you next time. Thanks.